So when we need that book, we just pull it out and apply it, right? Or kind of like a recipe. Here's the best way to make cornbread, and it's going to come out good every time.
Yep. Exactly. Because when it comes to, why did we build these 50 templates, vertical for these verticals? It's really boils down to we wanted to help people save time, make it more effective. We see people charging an arm and a leg for onboarding and not even get them 80 yards down the field. And we were like, wait a minute, there's a better way to do this. We can set people up for success, get them most of the way there without using 100% of their budget, and then work with them to really customize the things that are going to make a big difference. But so much of it in the beginning isn't worth struggling with. Let's help you skip that step.
Yeah. And let's that's exactly right. And, I'll tell you selfishly, one of the reasons that I started working with just one vertical market is because it was easier to just manually build it for the same type of client every time. And I didn't have to think too much. I knew what they wanted. They saw what they were going to get. And it was pretty much the same way every time. And then when one client said, oh, well, we also do this thing over here, then it was just a minor tweak. But I got to the point where I was like, kind of tired of building the same thing all the time manually. So we found some technology that accelerates our process. So we don't have to get drugged down into the mundane things either, right? So we've even automated that as part of our onboarding process.